Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Apple TV to your router and enable AirPlay. Full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure your Apple TV is powered on and connected to your television. Locate your router and check that it is functioning properly. Using the remote, navigate to the Settings app on your Apple TV. Select the network option from the list. Ensure that the Wi-Fi option is highlighted. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the available options. If prompted, enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. After entering the password, select Join to connect to your network. Wait for the confirmation message that indicates successful connection. To enable AirPlay, return to the Settings menu. Scroll down and select AirPlay and HomeKit. Make sure AirPlay is turned on. You can choose who can access AirPlay by selecting Allow Access. Select either everyone, anyone on the same network, or only people sharing this Apple. Once you've configured your preferences, exit the Settings menu. To test AirPlay, open a compatible app on your iPhone or iPad. Find the content you want to stream and tap the AirPlay icon. Select your Apple TV from the list of devices. Once connected, enjoy streaming your content on your television. If you experience issues, double-check your Wi-Fi connection and the settings on your Apple TV. With these steps completed, your Apple TV is now connected to your router and ready for AirPlay. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.